Pastryology by Vimal. If you're new to this channel, my name is Vimal, I'm a pastry chef. Couple of weeks back, I made a basic chocolate tart recipe. Since then, I'm getting a lot of requests for a eggless recipe. So in today's video, we'll be doing an eggless saffron and mango tart. Let's get started. To make the eggless tart dough, you need 90 grams of unsalted butter, 85 grams of icing sugar, 15 grams of almond powder, 25 grams of milk, 160 grams of all-purpose flour and 45 grams of corn flour. Start by mixing unsalted butter and icing sugar together until it is creamy. Add your milk into it. Finish the dough with sieved dry ingredients together. Mix well. Wrap it in a cling wrap or in an airtight bag and store it into the refrigerator until it sets completely. I have kept the dough in the refrigerator for an hour. Once it is set completely, roll it into thin sheet and prepare your tart base. I'll be using a tart ring to make this tart. You can even use a tart mold. Let's blind bake this tart at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, depending upon your oven, you might have to adjust the time and the temperature, so do keep an eye on that. To know more about the blind baking, you can go and check out my chocolate tart video. I'll put the link in the description below and the card above. So that's it. Our tart base is baked. You can see nice golden brown color. That's what you should be getting. Now that our tart is ready, let's make the saffron custard to go inside that. If you don't have saffron, you can always substitute it with some vanilla essence, lemon zest or orange zest to give that extra flavor for your tart. To make the eggless saffron cream, you need 320 grams of evaporated milk, 60 grams of sugar, 30 grams of corn flour, 20 grams of unsalted butter and pinch of saffron. To make the custard, cook all the ingredients together except the butter until the mix is slightly thick. Take out of the stove and leave it out for cooling. Add the butter and blend it nicely using a hand blender or a wire whisk. Now that we have all our components ready, let's start assembling our tart. Pipe the custard into the tart base. And cut the mango into thin slices. Arrange it and roll it into a flower shape. Carefully lift it and place it on top of your tart and adjust it according to your tart size. So that's all from me, guys. I hope you all learn and enjoy this video. Do try this and tag me on my Instagram handle given below. I'll see you all in the next video with a new recipe.